Guys, welcome back to Java tutorials. Today video is about functional interfaces. Java 8 has introduced new features of interfaces, that is functional interfaces. They are function, BiFunction, unary operator, predicate and consumer interface, by consumer, etc. In today's video I am going over the first point, what is function, BiFunction and function chaining. Okay, let's start the coding part now. First thing we'll see about function. Look here, this functional interface requires two parameters, T and R. T is nothing but input parameter and R is output parameter here. The first thing you have to provide those ones. Let's take input argument as string and output argument as integer. And you have to provide the name fun1. So here we need to write lambda function. And these and all methods, depends on the requirement, you can take one. And the next line is about output argument. We know like a type of the output is integer. Integer I equal to function1 dot apply. So here we need to give one argument. That's why it's showing the error. Expected argument is 1 but 0 found. You have to give the string argument. Let's say hello. One print statement. Length of the I is, and call the I value here. That's it. Compile that one. There you can see 5. Because the length of the hello is 5, right? So you'll get the 5 here. Only thing is you have to be very careful about providing input and output parameters. Suppose if you have taken a wrong option, immediately you will get the error here. So you should be very cautious about argument types. In function you have only one input argument, right? In BiFunction you will see two input arguments. BiFunction T, U, R. These T and U are nothing but input arguments and R is output argument. Let's consider here all integer type. So these two is the input arguments. You have to provide only integer values and you will get the output also integer. Let's say this is function 2. We have two input arguments, right? Let's give a comma b and lambda function. Replace b. Now the next line is about output arguments, integer I. This, let's say this one is I1. Function 2 dot apply. Just provide two integer values. You'll get the addition here. Just you need to call that variable. That's it. When you compile, you will see that addition is 500. Addition of a comma b is 500. Text you can change it now whatever you want. No deal with that, but you have to understand the technical part. So the next thing is, let's see about functional chaining. Functional chaining means you can have two functional interfaces. The implementation is from one method you will call to another method. Let's see that now. Let's take these two examples only. So first thing, I have taken one functional interface which is returning the integer value, that is the length. And for second function, both input and output parameters I am taking as integer. So what I am doing here, after getting the output from this function, I am going to add 100 to that number, whatever we get here. So I have taken two functional interfaces. We know that output is going to be integer value, right? So here I am taking integer and one variable I2. Function 3 dot and then apply. Function 3 dot and then you have to give the interface name and click on apply. Choose the apply method. Give some text. Hello everyone. That's it. Here from one method we are calling the another method from different functional interface. Let's print that one I2. This is about functional chaining, very useful, right? And easy also, and easy to understand as well. That's all guys. In the next video we'll see about what is unary and binary operators. Meanwhile, stay tuned and happy learning.